Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to find your Best Buy ID on the Best Buy app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your Best Buy ID number. How do you actually go ahead and find that just in case the Best Buy employee needs it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is open up the Best Buy app. Now, once it's done loading, on the bottom right hand corner, you want to click on your profile icon name. So it's this icon or button right over here. Now on the top right hand corner, it's going to say show Best Buy ID. And so this is what you can do to easily scan your Best Buy ID so that it tracks your order history. It automatically sends you a receipt. But this comes really useful when it comes to purchasing things on Best Buy. Let's say that you want to return an item, but it's tied to your Best Buy account, but you don't have the receipt. Usually that item will be tied to your Best Buy ID so that they can scan it and then also find the receipt for you. So this is pretty helpful as far as finding your Best Buy ID goes. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.